Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Thank you for choosing this video. Allow me to teach you how to play with yarn. Do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is at this corner here. And do check out my other videos too. They are all as informative and fun to learn as this video. And today I'm going to teach you how to do the letter P. P for Prada. You can just, this is just a demo thing, so I'm using cotton yarn with 4mm hook. For the real thing that look like this I use lace yarn. These are lace yarn, and I use a 2mm hook because since this is black in color, it's kind of difficult to see how I'm doing the P. So I'm going to use a bigger hook and bigger yarn to show you how to do the P. Okay, so let's do P for Prada. Okay, you can grab just about any type of yarn, and the hook size is you go according to your yarn size. You make a knot. This is just my habit of making a knot. I mean, if it's too fast, it just or you can make a knot just about any way that it's comfortable to you. And now we're gonna chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after you chain 15, you go back to the 11th stitch from the hook. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You go back to the 11th stitch and do a slip stitch, but here you make sure you fold it this way so that this one won't bend. You know, it's easier to crochet if you won't bend here and there. So you make sure it turns the right way like this. Go to the 11th stitch and do a slip stitch, and you turn your work. We're gonna work on this side first. Okay, this is the P. This is the straight line for the P. So here I'm going to slip stitch to the next stitch, because if you notice, slip stitch to the next stitch. If you notice the word Prada, the here, this part and the top part here is it's thinner. The front part here is fatter. So slip stitch, then I'm going to do 2 single crochet into the loop inside the ring, not loop. So you do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then we're going to do 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on top here, on this loop here, we're going to do single crochet. So before I do single crochet, you should have 3 more stitches here. Before I do single crochet, I slip stitch do 1 slip stitch, chain 2, and you see here you should have 3 stitches left. Go into that stitch and do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and 3 single crochet. And here continue to single crochet down the letter P. Oops. So the bottom here you should have 4 more stitches. And there you will have the letter P. So you will notice here it narrows down, here it narrows down, here a bit fatter, a bit broad, and here you have this chain 2 will create kind of like a edge for it, a corner for it. So that's how you do the letter P for Prada. So thank you for watching. Hope you like this tutorial video, and I'll see you in the next post for the next alphabet.